Final inspection. Good morning.
Hello, YouTubers. I'm tired.
You are tired.
Oh man, I'm beat.
Yeah. Beat.
Well, the weather. Well, it was so cold in the house this morning when I woke up. It was 64 degrees Fahrenheit in the house. I had to turn on the furnace.
What is awesome. We ran that thing.
Oh man, I loved it. I love it. I came out of, well, the weather was supposed to rain all weekend. It didn't rain too much though. A little bit, drips and drabs here. And anyway, so I said, I think what I'm going to do. This is Canada Day was yesterday, but we're celebrating it today.
That's right. Some businesses are open, some are closed.
Yeah. So I said, I think what I'm going to do, seeing the days are poopy, these weekends are poopy days, awful weather and stuff, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work Saturday and Sunday and Monday, and then if we get a couple of good days later on in the week, which we're supposed to, well, we'll take those off.
That's right.
And plus we fulfill the orders, right? Exactly. I did, and speaking of orders, I'm looking at my babies.
You're having a hard time letting go. You've got separation anxiety.
I'm going to tell you, of all the mods I've done, these are the prettiest.
Yeah?
Isn't it?
I guess a lot of detail on them.
But it takes some time to do. I'm telling you, like,
yeah.
These are by far the most labor-intensive mod there is.
Well, that's right. No pun intended, but a lot of steps.
Yep, really. A lot of steps.
But hey, we found them good homes.
But they're nice. Oh yes, yeah, they're all going to a good home. I just don't want anybody to step on them.
You don't want them being used. So, for Paul's sanity, or what is it, or emotional well-being, don't send any pictures of them
used. If you're going to get on them, folks, before you put your boots on them, change over, put slippers on.
Yeah.
Right, or even throw a towel over them or something, or a rag, or a piece of cardboard, or something, you know.
Yeah, you don't want any muddy.
I don't want them scuffed. I worked too hard to make them look good. And yeah, so they have the new decal is on the front here now.
That's right.
This is going to be the standard.
That's right.
So yeah, we kind of like this because the other one looked really nice, and it was the way of the original. Right?
Right.
But
well, that is our logo we've been using.
yeah, that's the logo, the phone number, everything's on.
Exactly.
And plus, it's much easier for you.
Oh, you're not kidding.
Yeah. So let's go over and look, see what they look like. I like them better than the prototypes.
Well, that's how it is. Prototype is what it is.
Now, for people that's going to put these under direct, people that have these ordered or have these bought, there might be some discrepancy in the powder coat on some. It might be a little bit thicker in place, the powder coat. So when you lay them on, of course, there's a slot here for this, right? So when you lay them on, you push them right up against the ridge here. Okay. Now, when you get them on there, give them a tap with a rubber hammer or something. I mean, look, it fits there like it is.
Yeah.
But what you have to do is you have to run these straps. I got straps that goes up. They run up and come out through here, and then they just attach on the bottom.
That's right.
Yeah, and they're
Keep
very
it from
nice.
vibrating off when you're moving.
Yeah. Now there will be grip tape, pieces of grip tape, which is this stuff. So you can put it here on this ridge and on this ridge. This, by the way, that's not what this was for. This was here to try to keep that from scrubbing up against there because the cylinder goes up further on this one for some reason. And yeah, so, and it might not need grip tape. So whatever you decide to do, you can put them on without grip tape first. And if they feel solid, well, you don't need grip tape. I doubt they're going to be loose because there's a really good fit here. And if they do need grip tape, just put the grip tape on.
Sure, you have options.
But they're a nice addition to the locks as well. You know, it just kind of belongs there.
It does,
you know? So my work is kind of over with this. I guess your job is just starting because you got to ship them.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a spill guard to go too, right?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, so, but I've been out there for 2 days.
Yeah.
And I'm not staying out here today.
No.
It's too long, and it's comfortable out. It's I'm going to guess about plus 10 or plus 11 degrees Celsius, which is about 58 or 59 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the optimal temperature for me. Okay.
You can always put a little jacket on.
Yes, exactly. You know.
Great for.
So I think what I'm going to do, seeing I never took you anywhere for Canada Day, I think I'm going to get you in the van now. I'm going to take you in Princess Auto. What are you laughing at?
I just thought of something funny. That's okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because
Don't.
I felt unappreciated that time.
Oh well, we don't want that happening.
No. Anyway, folks, to the rest of Canada, happy belated Canada Day. We would have done this video yesterday, but I was up to my ears in fabrication.
You were.
Really. Plus, we had somebody have trouble with a vehicle.
That's right. Exactly.
So we had to get the vehicle in on a Sunday and
Exactly.
try to work that out. And to our American neighbors, who we greatly appreciate having as neighbors, happy Independence Day on the 4th.
That's right, Wednesday.
Yeah, and we hope you enjoy your day, and we just want you to be safe, and remember, you got at least 2 people up here in Canada that think dearly of you all.
Right on.
Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching the channel, and I got to kind of make my commitment now to take it to Princess Auto. Right?
Yeah, you announced it.
I got to continue on with my commitment. So whether you like it or not, you're going. So folks, you guys take care. Have a nice day, and God bless.